Here we will study practical number 16 of digital communication system. The aim of that practical is test the performance of binary phase shift key means BPSK modulator and demodulator circuit. For that practical we required a BPSK trainer kit, after that DSO or CRO and a connecting probes. In BPSK, when our input signal is in digital form, that is in 1 and 0 form, when input is 1, then we get a sine waveform signal which is having suppose 180 degree phase shift, and after that for the logic 0 we get a sine waveform with 0 degree phase shift. Okay, so we will now see the practical kit for BPSK. Here this is the PSK modem kit used for a binary phase shift keying practical. Okay, here a digital signal means in 1-0 form we get here in pattern generator generate that digital signal. At this output we get 2 pattern. Okay, this pattern is applied to a PSK generator. This block is PSK generator. Here out of these 2 pattern we can connect 1 pattern at the input of PSK generator. Here carrier is connected internally, so we do not require to make external connection, and here we get a PSK output. Okay, now we will make connection. First connection, we will observe the pattern generator output. Here we will connect output of this pattern generator to DSO, and second terminal is connected to a ground. Now we will see the waveform of pattern generator on DSO. This one is the waveform of pattern generator. After that this pattern generator output is connected to the input of PSK generator. Here carrier is internally connected, so we do not require to connect any carrier signal here. And now we will see or observe waveform at PSK output. Here we will connect channel number second of DSO, the output of PSK. Now we will observe both the waveform on DSO, that is the pattern generator means our input signal, and this output signal. Here you will see that for 0 input we get a 0 degree phase shift, but for our input is become logic 1, then we get a 180 degree phase shift. Now here for logic 1 we observe we get this type of signal, and for logic 1 we get 180 degree phase shifted signal. This one is the observation table of binary phase shift keying means BPSK.